is a guy who we can be really proud of, and I'm so happy he's here welcoming the new year and ushering out the old year with us here tonight. So let's hear it for Raul.
Oh, come on. Thank you, Mayor. Jeez. Now,
well,
if I could
you got to get into this. We're going to have the countdown in a few seconds.
If I could just get all these people into one of the clubs where I'm playing, I think I'll break even. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how much time have we got? What are we looking at here? We're getting down. This is great. Okay, we're within a minute, ladies and gentlemen.
1 minute to midnight into the new year.
2023 is just around the corner, Toronto.
Get ready to count.
Well, you know, Mayor, if you don't mind, I feel like we spent all this time together. Do you mind if I call you John?
It's better than what a lot of people call me, so...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at 30 seconds. Oh. Can I hear you over there at Sugar Beach? Can I hear you over at HTO?
Are you ready to count?
15 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Countdown with us.
Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,